Good morning, everybody. Welcome to a beautiful Saturday. And as of Monday, we will be starting week number 11 of HRD 631, the Adult Learner. Welcome to an early video for an overview of video of week number 11. So in week 11, this really is the last of what we're going to be, the last content that I will be bringing forth, and we will be studying this semester in a formal way. We will be going into exploration project facilitation presentations in the next few weeks, and I do want to have a comment about that. Next week is week number 12, and that is in week number 12. I'm still working on details for week number 12. But week number 12, we're going to have, it will probably be a study week that people will have time to develop materials for your exploration project. We may have one, we may have two presentations in next week, and that is being determined probably today or tomorrow. But either way, there's not going to be a lot of materials coming forward. And like I said, we may have a free week to work on exploration projects. Plus, I'd like you to participate in one exploration project that will be presented next week. Or we might not have any exploration project presentations next week. Once again, I'm working on that. One option is to put all of the project presentations in the final 2 weeks of the class. So, and some of that has to do with where Thanksgiving falls. So more will be revealed on that as the week goes on. But let's get to week number 11. Week number 11, as you can see, is aging, memory, and the brain. In week 11, we focus on the effect of aging, memory, and the brain. And what do these have to do what is the impact on aging, on intelligence and learning? Materials for chapters 14 and 15 from the text. So in learning in adulthood, these are the chapters I'd like you to read. Significant kind of points from each one of those chapters. Take a look at in chapter 14, the chapter deals with the effect of aging on intelligence. And then chapter 15, we look at the psychological and medical fields in determining how the brain works and functions. So what would I like you to do? Read these two chapters. Please, the attached file gives you a complete summary of chapters 14 and 15. Optional electronic reserve articles, key aspects of how the brain learns. 2 YouTube videos. Actually, we have a TED Talk, and then we have another and an actual video. Then I'd like you to participate in the week 11 discussion forums. And in there, what I'd like you to do is please post one idea from week 11, from the week 11 materials that you believe is fundamental to adult learning and adult education. So once again, that builds on the work that we do throughout the week. So that is really it at this point. You can find the discussion forum in the usual place. And I just wanted to mention one thing. Okay, here we are. Due tomorrow evening is the annotated bibliography and learning organizer. Now, I will have immediate comments. I will have comments on by Wednesday of this week, maybe even sooner for those that are presenting early on in the schedule. And I pretty much provide comments and provide a grade based upon when you're signed up to present and facilitate. But everybody will have their comments back to you by no later than next weekend. I'd like, as you can see, you have till next Sunday at midnight to get that in. This is one of those assignments that it really is important that you get that to me. If you can't hit this November 6th date and you need another day, that's fine. But I really need to get on these and give you feedback so you can start working on your projects. Weeks 9 through 11, I will be posting your discussion participation grades. And then we get into the final materials, the materials, your facilitation, etc. So I'll have more information on that as we go forward. So that is it. Now I'm going to just stop for a moment and just show you one other thing. So if you would like a little more comprehensive review of chapters 14 and 15, just click on this, and where that will take you is this document. It just gives you a little more detail in summary forms on each one of these chapters. You may find this helpful. You may not find this helpful, but I put it together to just help you understand the concepts and ideas that we're exploring in chapters 14 and 15. So with that said, let me go back to our site. Here's the materials. You know where the discussion forums are. And beyond that, that is it for me. I hope you have a wonderful day today. Maybe you have a chance to get outside and enjoy the sun, 60-degree, maybe even 70-degree weather. Pretty amazing for this time in November in Maine. In the meantime, let me know if I can help in any way. If you need an extra day, maybe 2 at very most, to get your materials into me, your learning organizer, or your annotated bibliography, please let me know. Okay, everybody, have a good week, and I'll see you online. Bye.